Well, winter weather can be harsh on our skin, our hair, and even our spirits.
Yes, it is killing me, Joss. All right, but joining us now with some winter beauty products to help keep us refreshed and rejuvenated is the beauty girl, Nicole Pearl. I just feel like a little sunshine would help a little bit at this point right now. But you have some other things that can actually make us...
This is our version of sunshine
to
deal with the dreary weather. So the first is, let's talk lashes. They're probably brittle, more dry if they're short and stubby. Start using an eyelash enhancing serum. This one is from Rapid Lash. You put it on your lashes at night. In about 6 to 8 weeks, your lashes are going to look longer, they're gonna look better. It's filled with good hydrating, conditioning ingredients like panthenol and biotin, and that's what you want for your lashes.
Okay. Get the pretty lashes, get the eyelash padding going on.
And it's right at CVS, so that's easy.
That's very simple. And what's this?
Well, wellness.
I'm so excited to introduce everybody to this. This is Soul Flow. It is Chicago's first energy and wellness spa. It's right in Wicker Park. They use frequency, sound, light, color to really reduce your stress. It's really mind, body, and soul. I got to experience the energy room. You go in there for about an hour. I got to do it. And you lay down on these beds. They slightly vibrate. You listen to music. I swear when you leave, you feel like a new person. You have a lightness of being. That's me right there. It was a profound experience. I highly recommend everybody get a taste for this. It's going to be the big spa trend I predict for 2024.
No,
that's
energy.
cool. Okay.
They're working on the energy.
I like that.
Okay, lips.
Yes.
I think a little bit of lipstick is going to boost your mood. And Charlotte Tilbury, who is a celebrity makeup artist, just dropped these today, or this week actually, yesterday. So these are the Beauty Icon lipstick. She has 5 beautiful reds, 5 beautiful pinks, along with lip liners that coordinate. Each one of these shades, honestly, there's a color for every skin tone and every celebrity. We've seen Emma Stone, Jessica Chastain, Amal Clooney. They're all wearing these colors already. They are going to be super popular. Get your hands on these.
Okay. I love that.
Pretty.
This is oil, face oil, right?
Face oil.
Okay.
For winter, you want to incorporate one. It's the last step in your skincare routine because it's going to trap in all the moisture. This is from Boom Beauty. This is the Boom Gold. I love it because it's a pro-aging skincare line, meaning it's all for mature skin, dry skin, natural ingredients. You get it right on Amazon, and it's a lovely face oil.
Okay, I was worried about face oils because it's not going to make you break out.
It's going to give you a glowy finish, no oily, kind of residue. Better for like a drier skin. If you're super oily, you know, you're probably not going to want to go for a heavy oil.
Okay, but you do it as your last step. Okay, all right. Okay, the hair, that's really where I feel like the winter takes its toll.
Especially with curly textures that are more dry. So you want an alcohol-free styling product that's really hydrating. This is Garnier Whole Blends Hair Honey Jelly. It is a gel, super hydrating, gives you 100 hours of definition and hydration.
It's like jelly.
It will not leave you feeling crunchy. It's under $10, really affordable. You get so much product. Great to have. Also allows you to go longer in between washes.
Oh, okay. All right. So
that's a good thing.
Okay, what's this?
Ooh, this is for your shaving. If you are getting like dry, itchy skin, this is Truly Cocoa, and this is their cloud whipped shave butter. First of all, it looks like whipped cream.
It does.
It's got argan oil and coconut milk, and it's going to give you a really nice smooth shave, but also hydrate so you don't have to layer moisturizer on after. This is beautiful product. You'll love it.
Oh, that's really fun.
And we got another cream?
And this is actually a cleansing balm. This is the must-have cleansing balm for the winter. It is from Nara. This is a brand created by 3 local women. They make all of these homemade small batches in their Chicago lab. The cleansing balm will get rid of dirt, makeup. It's gonna leave your skin.
Get my makeup off?
Well, yes, you might have to do twice. A double cleanse, as we say, but it leaves your skin really hydrated. And I love that Nara is doing 50% off on their website, naraforall.com, and free local shipping. So this is a great local skincare brand to support.
That's cool.
Oh, wow. So it's like a cold cream, almost.
Oh, yeah.
Cleansing balm.
Yeah. Okay,
So it's really for removing, cleansing your skin.
And leaving it soft.
Fantastic.
I love that.
This is great. It is yummy. You
Yeah,
call it yummy.
it's
It's very yummy. I like that. All right, NicolePearl.com is where you find more information about how to find all of these products.